I'm going to answer some common questions subscribers ask us every now and then, back and again. So one of those questions is, what is the cost for rhinoplasty, doctor? Now, rhinoplasty or surgery on the nose, a nose job, the extent or the type of surgery itself varies, and therefore it's very hard to come up with one fixed pricing. The other issue is where exactly the surgery is done. For example, I work in South India and also work out of Muscat. Now in Muscat, the rates are different. For example, at the place where I work in Muscat, you would have to spend about 6 to 7,000 US dollars for a rhinoplasty, including 2 to 3 days of hospitalization. While at the same in India, in the hospital where I have in Nagarcoil in the south, it would cost you about 75,000 rupees to a lakh of rupees. So the ranges are different. Why is it different? Because you're in different geographical locations. There are different rules, factors that come into play that causes the fact of the cost being varied. Now, even if you take in one place itself, the cost varies, and this is because the rhinoplasty approach, technique, type, everything varies. So for example, I could do a rhinoplasty in 30 minutes and that would cost you much less than if I would do a revision, secondary, reconstructive cleft rhinoplasty. Let's say that takes 3 to 4 hours. So you have a wide spectrum of procedures that we do at Richardsons. We take care of simple, small rhinoplasties, and we also do major reconstructive procedures. So some of the rhinoplasties can even cost you 3-4 lakh of rupees, because you're working for 3-4 hours, you're using a lot of materials, you're having to take ribs, you're having to take cartilage. So depending on what we do, depending on exactly the procedure, so the best way you can find out how much your rhinoplasty would cost, at least approximately, is to send in your pictures to us on our WhatsApp number or even email us. We have a lot of time now because of this coronavirus thingy going on, and so we would take time to reply, and we might also ask for any extra investigations if need be. The next step is to have an online consultation, which I'm doing from time to time. We can either FaceTime, or you could also do a WhatsApp video call. You can check our website and do the payment online for an online consultation before that happens. Once these two things are done, then the final thing, of course, happens with the personal consultation. And at the personal consultation, once I decide and once you decide, once we are on the same page, both the patient and the surgeon, with all the investigations and with what the patient needs, then we say, okay, this patient needs A, B, C, D procedures. It would take this much time, and therefore it would cost this much. So that's how you can get a precise estimate of what a rhinoplasty would cost. Thank you.